Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's girl Lizzie. If you're new, please do make sure to subscribe. So today I've got a grocery haul for you guys. I went food shopping and I'm just going to be showing you what I got. So the first item I brought out was the mixed herbs, and before that I brought out pounded yam flour. I got some antibacterial soap, some palm oil. I also got some gari, Ijebu gari. So I actually went and got the container that I used to store the product, so that's what I was getting. And I also went to get some scissors so that I can pour it into the container and just get it done out of the way instead of just putting it to the side. That way I know it's already in the container and I can just put the container away, and it makes it so much easier for when I need it. Here you just see me put away some of the items into the cupboard. I got some cheese puffs because my daughter absolutely loves that stuff. Like, honestly, it's like her favorite snack. But yeah, got that. I'm putting it away. I also got some Weetabix because she loves Weetabix for breakfast. Next, I got some onions, so I'm just going to put them inside the bowl that we put them in. Oh, and there I go, dropping them. I got some decaf tea. Don't ask me why. I just like decaf tea. I don't know, it just somehow tastes better for me, but oh well. Got some decaf tea, so I'm gonna put it in the container that it's meant to go into. This just makes my life so much easier. Then I like putting, you'll notice that I like putting it away as soon as I bring it into the house. It just makes it easier. It just, instead of me putting it to one side and then, oh, I'll get to it. No, gotta do it immediately. Okay. Next, I got some spaghetti. I then got some milk and plum tomatoes, and I'm just going to bring them out of the bag just so all the tin stuff are out, and then I'm going to put them into the cupboard. Almost done. I got some corn oil. I recently switched to corn oil and I actually like it. But yeah, here I go putting it away. But yeah, I actually like it. So I'm just putting away some storage bags for the freezer. And I actually got this fiber now. It's Aldi's version of like healthy snacks. It's like under 100 calories per snack. And it's like chocolate brownie, caramel and stuff, and it's actually pretty good. I've tried it now. I also got 5 kg rice, and the same thing that I did with my previous food items. Opening it and also putting it in the container that it's supposed to be in, because like I said, it just makes life easier. So I'm just cutting it and making an opening in the bag, and yeah, gonna pour it right inside the storage, so that it's just easier to access when cooking rice or whatever. So whatever remains with the rice I put to the side to refill later. I also got some spinach to make Nigerian vegetable stew. And then you can just see me put the scissors and stuff away. I do have a few more items, I think 3 more items in the bag, so I'm just going to get them out. I got some protein yogurt and some chicken wings and chicken breast. I got the chicken wings because I like to make homemade KFC style chicken wings. And guys, if you guys want to see the recipe, let me know and I will film it. But it's pretty good, guys. And that's everything. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.